Jesus.
Lazy idiots.
Jesus. Jesus.
What did I do? Oh, you're still asking me what you did? Huh? Look at this crippled fool. You're asking me what you did. What did I do? Are you supposed to be sleeping by this time? Huh? Are you supposed to be sleeping by this time? Why are you sleeping by this time?
I barely slept last night.
And now is that my business? Tell me, is that supposed to be my business? Do you think this house is for people like you that doesn't want to do anything, that will just stay and wake up like queen? You're not a queen in this house. My dear, stand up. Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! You cannot stand up. You are not ashamed of yourself. Stand up! Go and do something for yourself. Go and do something. Are you not supposed to be doing your chores? Eh? Look at her. Shaking like Baba. Look at her. Look at her. You are so stupid and wicked.
How do I feel this broken? Right now I feel like the world is falling on me. I wanna cry out. It's falling on me. I wanna cry out. Why do I feel so different each time I try? 10 times or 4. Why are we far? Sometimes I am trying, but I can feel my strength fading out. I thought I could take it, but I can't carry on with this pain. A silent whisper in the dark, calling out. My silent whisper in the dark, crying out. Sometimes I am trying, but I can feel my strength fading out. I thought I could take it, but I can't carry on with this pain. Hear the tears of a caged soul calling out loud. Hear the tears of a caged soul calling out loud.
Mama, good morning. Roslin, good morning.
What are you looking at? What is it? Eh? What is it now?
Mama, please, I'm very hungry. Can I join you?
Hey, look, it's the actual audacity. Can I join you? Am I your mate? Am I your mate? You have the nerves to ask me, can I join you? Look, there is no food for a lazy man in my house. Since you've used your witchcraft to scare all the people that normally feel pity on you and dash you money, and they stop giving you money, you refuse to bring money to this house. You use your witchcraft to scare them away. There is no food for you. Are you hearing me? This one, I did not go and shout hallelujah in the market before they gave it to me. I used money to buy it. Yes. Even Roslin is contributing. But you have decided to be useless. Therefore, no food for you.
Rules are rules. Dear stepsister.
Mama, please. I'm very hungry.
It is that hunger that will kill you. That hunger will kill you. If you want to eat, go outside. Let them pity you and give you money. Then you bring it to me. I'll use it and cook for you.
Simple.
If not, lagbaja, nothing for you. Get out before I lose my appetite.
Mama,
out.
Maybe we should give her some bread.
Yes, maybe.
Mommy, you're very nice. You're very, very nice.
At least. I have tried.
You have tried.
I thought I thought a witch.
Nabi. I've tried. Very nice woman.
Amosu. Witch. Amosu.
Oh, Kokobioko. No shaking. Oh. Fine girl. Oh, how are you? I came here especially for you. I miss you.
Okoro, it's not too early to be drunk by this time, eh? It's too early now.
How dare you? Don't talk about it. Don't tell me when to drink. Eh? Don't tell me when to drink. Nobody will tell me to drink in the morning or in the night. I choose to take it whenever I want. It makes me feel good. Eh? I enjoy taking it very early in the morning. It makes me all right, Maya.
You do realize that this you're drinking is too much. It's bad for your health, sure you know.
Ha! Don't ever. How dare you talk about my Lego? Eh? This is the only thing that I see and I feel okay. This is the only thing that whenever I remember it, I feel all right. I like taking it all the time. It makes me okay. See, I have been drinking for years. I feel good about it. Okay. You will not understand. You have to taste more so that you will.
I don't need to drink. I don't drink. I don't want. Thank you. It's okay.
Okay. You don't know what you're missing. See, if you want to be rich in life, you have to be taking this. This is the only thing that will make you rich. You don't know what you are missing. In case you change your mind.
I'm not changing my mind.
Come and meet me at Mama Karosu bar. That is where you will see me. Oh, my love. I miss you.
I'm not coming. Bye.
I miss you so much.
Bye.
Oh, see, fine girl. This girl is so fine. Hey.
Norma. Why are you looking like this? What happened? Have they refused to give you food again?
I do not have the energy to beg today. Kenneth, I am tired. It's bad enough that I'm an orphan. Being a cripple is limiting me. Nobody wants to help me. Nobody wants to employ me.
You're not completely helpless. Don't say that again, please.
I'm just hungry. I was coming to your house to beg you for food.
It's fine. I was on my way out, but that does not matter. I made small rice at home, eh? Let's go.
Thank you.
The best is just to... Oh, see these lovebirds over there.
Mind your business.
Ben.
Mind your business. This has nothing to do with you. Leave them alone.
Okay.
They're so cute together. Guy, all women are the same.
Yeah.
The earlier you know that, the better for you.
Yes, exactly. They're all the same. In fact, the last one was quite hilarious. Just because I slept with her a couple of times. Could you believe this girl is telling me to marry her?
Nee, you have to wait a bit. The rice is heating up. Oh God. I'm so tired. Today has been very exhausting. I've never been this tired.
But you always say this, like every time. Maybe you should quit your job.
Eh? Quit my job, Ke? And do what? Be looking at my walls and counting my ceiling.
Yeah, I'm not ready for that kind of boredom, my babe.
I understand, Sha. Me, I wish I had small money. I would have started that my granite business.
You're really serious about this, your granite
Yes,
business?
now. At least I'll not have to depend on anybody. She gets.
Yeah, I mean, makes sense, Sha.
Maybe I can help you with that.
Get away, John. With which money?
This one no reads me.
Wait. Kenneth, are you being serious?
Yes, of course. I mean, it wouldn't cost so much, and to give you a good head start.
You don't know what this means to me.
You listen, I
God bless you.
You my guy. You're welcome, you're welcome. Just leave that one. We'll do granules. How's your sister, Roslin?
No one come out from my sister body.
Inni, that your sister, eh? Is the reason I'm working hard. So I can give her baby girl lifestyle.
She's enjoying show. Yeah, you know my sister is now. She's very stubborn. She needs to hear what.
I know. But she's your sister. Can put in word for your guy.
You know us now, it's not as if we are close. But I'll talk to Asha. But don't say I did not want you.
I trust you. Now why be my guy? Jesus, the rice.
Hey. The rice is funny. Kenneth, haba now. Run.
This girl, Norma.
Mama, good evening.
You are still here fooling yourself. You are still here forming Galadima. How much have you collected? Let me see how much you've collected. Nothing. So instead of you to calm down and look pitiful so that people can have pity on you and give you money, you are here showing yourself. Let me tell you, if you come back home empty-handed, nothing for you. You see this thing I went to buy. Don't even expect me to give you anything from it. And if I get home before you, just be ready to sleep outside.
Mama, I can't possibly reach before you.
Thunder fire you. Waka.
Please.
Waka. Thunder fire your generation.
Please.
A silent whisper in the dark, calling out. My silent whisper in the dark, crying out. Sometimes I am trying, but I can feel my strength fading out. I thought I could take.
Look at this lazy thing.
Jesus.
Lazy idiots. Jesus.
What did I do?
Oh, you're still asking me what you did? Huh? Look at this crippled fool. You're asking me what you did. What did I do? Are you supposed to be sleeping by this time? Huh? Are you supposed to be sleeping by this time? Why are you sleeping by this time?
I barely slept last night.
And now is that my business? Tell me, is that supposed to be my business? Do you think this house is for people like you that doesn't want to do anything, that will just stay and wake up like queen? You're not a queen in this house. My dear, stand up. Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! Stand up! You cannot stand up. You're not ashamed of yourself. Stand up! Go and do something for yourself. Go and do something. Are you not supposed to be doing your chores? Huh? Look at her. Shaking like Baba.
Look at her. Look at her. You are so stupid and wicked. You see this your witchcraft. You see this your witchcraft, eh? You cannot get me and my daughter. Because greater is he that is in us than that devil that is inside of you. Yes. By the way, where are your crushes? Where are your crushes? You see you this wicked girl. After I labored so hard to raise money to buy those crutches, I don't have your time because I'm in a hurry, as you can see. Now listen to me and listen very good. You see those bitter leaf I left in the kitchen? Before I come back, make sure you wash them very well. Wash the bitterness out of the leaves. Are you hearing me? Are you hearing me? Because if I come back and use that bitter leaf to cook, and I have a taste of bitterness in them, you see this house, I will squeeze you inside this your wheelchair and use those crutches you don't want to use. and they'll break your head.
I trust you.
Nonsense, girl. Why are you not pouring the water?
I've done it now.
I trust you.
I have.
Girl.
Mama, take care of yourself. Oh. Take care of yourself.
Thank you.
In this house, if you sleep like that again, if you sleep like that again, it's yours. I know, Mama. Rubbish. Nonsense and evidence. Try me in this house. Or damn.
Bro, finally, everything is paid off. After all the hard work, after everything I went through, I made it. Winning the senator's heart and securing the deal, bro. It was tough. I did it finally. Yeah!
but relax. I knew you would. I mean, who was going to pull such a great deal like that if not you?
Yeah, man, right? Look, Ben, it was really tough.
I know.
I went through a lot.
I know.
A whole lot. But then God saw me through.
Yeah, we thank God.
So what's up? What's the plan for today?
Nothing.
Nothing. You. Nothing. You. You, Ben.
Okay.
Go ahead. Let's hear it. Let's hear it.
I have this girl I met yesterday.
Are you? I know you talk.
At the club. Yeah, but trust me, girl fine, Shana, very fine babe. But then, I think she's a prostitute.
Oh.
But then I don't even care. I don't care, actually. But before she knows Jack, I'm definitely gonna have my way with her.
Ben.
What?
Be careful with this lifestyle of yours. Be careful. Disease full outside. Baba, they will carry Puru come.
It's you talk. I beg, see, I don't want you to. You know they follow me talk like say you be one pastor.
No.
I go carry one give you.
You go. I don't want that if you give me. I don't want.
Roslin, my daughter.
Yes, Mommy.
Please, I am begging you. Don't forget what I'm telling you. Don't ever forget what I just said. Because I wouldn't want you to make the same mistake I made. Please.
Mommy, are we seriously going to start talking about this?
Why not if not? Look, there are certain issues that needs to be reiterated over and over again. Do you know you're too beautiful? Eh? Do you look at yourself in the mirror? It's like the mirror you have in this house is not doing justice to your beauty. You are so beautiful, eh? In fact, you find, say, make I talk pidgin, I beg. Make I not go bite my tongue because of English. See, the beauty where you carry for your body, it be like say you carry fire. Oh. Now, beauty where 10 people supposed to carry, now you got pack, put for your body at once. Roslin, I beg you. If you make I kneel down, go kneel down for you.
Oh, no, Mommy, no.
I beg. Maybe they pursue you. As they pursue you, they go, they somersault, they fall. You serve. You go, they meander, they go. The only thing I want you, get them, screw them, suck them dry. Bring it to me. That's what I want.
Yes.
Look, I wouldn't want you to follow any nonsense love. You see this love that maybe that put me in trouble. It's love that landed me into marrying your poor father. I don't want you to, because of love, go and marry poverty. Are you hearing me? You must marry a wealthy man. Loaded. Padded.
Yes, sir.
Overloaded.
Amen.
Are you hearing me?
Amen.
I want money, oh. I want money, oh. Keep love aside. Bring money to me.
You want money because you want to be enjoying it too, Abby?
Before uncle. Before uncle. Look, I know come this life to suffer. You hear me so? Do you know what poverty has reduced me to? Do you know that there are people that never believed anything good will come out of Angela?
God forbid.
I want to show them.
Yes, sir.
I want to show them. They go collect from my hand. They go take one magba. See, on your wedding day, on your wedding day, when I land, you have to be really, really careful because if you don't take your time, I will collect the show that day. I will collect the show. I will dance. I will dance. They will leave the person that is wedding and focus on the mother-in-law. I don't mind because I have to shine my shine. I don't suffer. My pikin I don't suffer.
Mommy, you have nothing to worry about. Is it not me, Roslin? You don't trust your daughter. Trust me to give you a man that even the governor will be loyal for.
Hey, I talk out.
Me? For your hand.
Don't be you again.
For your hand.
Don't be you again.
Now. You
10
don't
in
trust
1.
me.
10 in 1. 10 in 1 pikin. Igbawa. On that day they go see now.
Me, I don't have anything to do with broke and proud boys.
And you know that when you now marry, this your fine dress, and you go to wear her.
Roslin. Roslin. Roslin.
What is it? What do you want?
I just wanted to tell you how beautiful you look today.
Tell me, what is your problem? Kenneet, what exactly is the problem? What's the color of your problem? Why are you chasing me like a simp?
Roslin, I don't mean to, but you haven't given me a response based on our last conversation. I just wanted to know your answer.
It is bad enough that you thought about it. And it is so wrong for you to have the guts to approach me about it. Have you looked at yourself? Are you okay? You're approaching me for real? So you better behave yourself. Oh. Behave yourself. Look at you. Do you think I will stoop to your level? Do you know the kind of men I roll with?
I know, Roslyn. I know I might not have much right now, but I'm working really hard. Just give me time.
Time? You're Chris. I should give you time to waste my time. Do you think I have time for hopeless people like you? Only your shirt is screaming for mercy. And you want me to give you my time. See, stay away from me. Stay away from me. You are not my type. You cannot come close. Stay away from me and think of your life. Go and make money and do something with your miserable life. Stop disturbing me.
I understand. Well, one day you see.
The only thing I see is that you are wasting my time. Rubbish.
Man, I swear to God, the white tea is so sweet. Oh gosh.
Thank you. And you too, you're sweet. I haven't dealt with you yet.
You don't mean it.
By the time I finish with you, you can't even stand up.
I don't think I need any other woman again.
Then you don't have to get any other woman. Just call me when you need me.
Oh, babe.
But I hope you can handle me.
Oh, babe. I don't think so. Wait, let me get you some. So you know what? I'll just take.
For me.
Yes, baby.
Thank you, babe.
You're welcome.
I'm yours anytime, any day.
Just come.
You want more?
I wouldn't mind, baby. Oh, God!
Anje! Nigeria Limited PLC, are you there? Anje! Where is this woman? What is wrong with you? Angela! Where must she have gone to? What are you doing there? Are you... Oh, you are even there. You kept quiet. Allow me to be shouting since.
Okoro. Okoro, what is it now? What is it? Why do you keep frequenting my house like a lost goat? Am I owing you? No.
I came to see my wife, Norma. Is she there? See that girl fine. She's so beautiful. Oh. You'd have not noticed. I wonder if you are the one that gave birth to her. Anytime I see her, my body will be shaking like Hagede.
You should be ashamed of yourself.
What?
Okoro, you should be ashamed of yourself. Look at you. Just look at yourself. Why do you always come looking for Norma? Eh? What do you want from her? Do you want to marry her?
Yes! Bam! You are so brilliant, oh. Eh? So you get sense like this. I think some people were short. Not the guys, but your own different, oh. See, if you give me that girl, I will not think twice. I will grab her. In fact, kiss her. Take her to my room, mesmerize her. See, I will buy you a car if you don't know. Anytime I see that girl, I don't get myself anymore. Allow her to be with me.
Okoro, first of all, you insulted me by saying that I'm brief. But you know what? I will forgive you. Because you see this Norma you are looking for, it's even a waste of, it's even a waste. She's of no use to me. All the money I invest into that girl, all my food she has been eating, she's just useless. It's a waste of time and effort. So if you say you need her, don't worry. I'll send her to you. I will personally send her to your house.
Go and learn how to drive. Before you know it, your car will arrive. I will buy it.
Yeah,
I will get you a car.
Yeah.
Don't even bother yourself struggling for anything.
You that don't even have a tire. You don't have bicycle. The only car you have in your life is your Okoro you're drinking and it's moving you. Let it move you out of my compound.
It doesn't matter.
So. Get out of my compound.
I will be back. As of the car, prepare yourself. Go and learn how to drive because already you own a car now.
Okoro, zoos out of my house.
You own a car now.
So, out. And don't come back here again, no. Make sure you don't come back to my house again. It's even better. This Norma is useless to me. I'll just push her to Okoro. Two useless people. Let them be doing whatever they like to themselves. Sense.
Yes, Dad, I can hear you.
Desmond, when are you bringing a wife home? You know I'm not getting any younger. I want to carry my grandchild before I leave this earth.
Dad, I understand. But I don't see myself settling down anytime soon. Most of these women have ulterior motive. I don't see myself, Dad.
I get it, my son. This generation is different. But take your time. Just don't take too long.
Oh, Dad, hold on. Are you saying if I don't settle down on time, you'll disown me?
You know I won't. I just want to see you happy, alright?
Okay, Dad. No problem. Just take good care of yourself, okay? I'll talk to you tomorrow. Don't worry, I'll settle down. Don't worry. So, by God's grace. All right, Dad.
Ma, please. Can I have some food? Please.
Which food? Which food? You must be very, very stupid. You actually think you are smart. Okay, what about all those your poverty-stricken boyfriends you always go to meet? Why can't they give you food? See this girl. You think you can use my head? Only you no get leg. Only you they work out everywhere they find men. You want me to give you food? Go and eat in those boyfriends of yours. Are you hearing me? Get out of this place. Get out of this place. You are irritating me.
Ma, please. I've not eaten anything since yesterday.
So what is my business? What is my business? Since you have refused to work, There is no food for a lazy man in my house. Even the Bible said it, that there is no food for a lazy man. If you don't work, you will not eat. If you have refused to be lazy, then let your laziness feed you. Get out of this place, oh. Get out of this place.
But I can't carry on with this pain. A silent whisper in the dark, calling out my silent.
What are you still doing here?
whisper.
Get out of here. I'll pour you this water. Get out of here.
Crying out, sometimes I am trying, but I
Look at
can
her.
feel my strength.
Very stupid,
fading out. I
useless,
thought I could take
and
it,
irritating.
but I can't carry on.
You can't
With
sink
the
it. Chaganya.
Hear the tears of a
Stupid girl.
caged soul.
You know how to follow men. You don't know how to collect money from them. Idiot.
Of a caged soul, calling out loud. Crying out loud, crying out loud, crying out loud. Why do I feel this broken? Right now I feel like the world is falling on me. I wanna cry out. Why do I feel so different each time I try? 10 times of horror. Why are we far? Sometimes I am trying, but I can feel my strength fading out. I thought I could take it, but I can't carry on with this pain. A silent whisper in the dark, calling out. My silent whisper in the dark, crying out. Sometimes I am trying, but I can feel my strength fading out. I thought I could take it, but I can't carry on with this pain. Hear the tears of a caged soul, calling out loud. Hear the tears of a caged soul, calling out loud. Crying out loud.
What is this hug for?
Thank you.
For what?
Thank you for the granules money. Thank you, Kenny. God will bless you.
Amen.
Whenever you need help, ask God will send 1,000 people to help you.
Amen.
God bless you.
Yay! Yay! Oh my God! Oh my God! How did you know about quality things? Eh?
You like it?
Roslin, my daughter.
Mommy.
You are making me so proud. You are making me so proud. These clothes are so beautiful.
I'm happy you love them.
I love them. See this one.
Mommy, you know, by the time I'm done with you, all the women in this village, they will be envious of you. Don't faint, oh. And you see what that your wretched husband couldn't get for you? I will get it for you over and over again. I will make you proud. You'll be happy. I want to spoil you, Mommy.
Oh, that one is sweeting me. You see, that's my child. That's why I raised you well.
Yes.
You are very smart. Because a woman needs to know how to use what she has to get what she wants.
Yes, so.
How? All this for me. And you said there's more where this is coming from.
So much more. Mama, just relax. Allow your daughter take care of you.
Hi! Who am I? Thank you so much, my friend. God bless you.
Mom, amen.
God bless you for me.
Mom.
What happened?
The next time I wake up before you in this house, you won't like what I will do to you. And what's all that? You better wash them and wash them very clean. If I see one stain, you won't like me. Do it before I come back.
Somebody tell me, why do I feel this broken? Right now I feel like the world is falling on me. I wanna cry out. Why do I feel so different each time I try? 10 times of horror. Why are we far? Sometimes I am trying, but I can feel my strength fading out. I thought I could take it, but I can't carry on with this pain. A silent whisper in the dark, calling out. My silent whisper in the dark, crying out. Sometimes I am trying, but I can feel my strength fading out. I thought I could take it, but I can't carry on with this pain. Hear the tears of a caged soul calling out loud. Hear the tears of a caged soul calling out loud. Crying 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 out loud.
See my angel, oh. My sweetie potato. My one and only witch Cinderella. I swear, I love you past my mama. Oh.
Okoro, it's not too early for you to come and be killing me with this your mouth odor.
Don't say that again. I might consider that an insult. Tranquility. Shut up. See, you need to follow me. Follow me. You don't know what you are missing. Oh. My love, come with me and let me end this your suffering. This is your one-legged event. Let me end it. You will enjoy. Bush meat pepper soup. Chicken flavor. Anything. I will cook pepper soup, yam pepper soup. Just say it. Anything you want, you will have it.
So, I should leave my mother's house and come and become your second bottle of gin. You're doing well.
That's your mother's house. You're still mentioning it. If you follow me to my house, we will no longer pour you hot water.
Okay.
Nobody will pour you rice on the body.
Okay.
Okay. My love.
Bye-bye.
My love.
See you next time.
Oh, God. This is not fair.
This man will not kill me.
Bros.
No, I do you well now. Here you come again, Abby.
So I cannot sweet. Oh, come on, that deal. Thank you.
Thank you, eh?
You see? Business is moving well on the first day.
I did not expect you to do this well, though. It's doing really well. Like, I'm shocked. God is just helping me.
Even that woman that's across the street, she said I should be keeping my stool in her shop so that I'll not be carrying load to work.
That's really nice. Give it up, give it up.
Elder brother. Why are you talking like my elder brother?
See, you know you're very hardworking, and hardworking women make a very good wife. You, Norma, you make a great wife.
Yeah, I doubt if I ever get married.
Come on now, don't say that. Why?
Kenneth, let's be honest. Who would want to marry a cripple?
Don't say that. You are more than your legs. You're strong. You're smart. You're very hardworking. Come on, any man that does not see that does not deserve you.
Kenneth, this one that you're talking like this. Abi, you want to propose to me?
No, ma.
Eh?
Let's say groundnut first. We'll get to that topic later. I cannot
No
test.
tasting, no tasting.
Assistant says boy.
No friendship in business.
Guy, are you sure you're not going to walk yourself into a grave like this? Eh? Just relax now. Just calm down. Be calm. Eh?
Dangote, 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 still they find money. Guy, I won't rest until I have enough money to buy this country. That's the goal.
Oh, that sounds well. But have you forgotten that even billionaires take time to rest? They go on vacations and do quite a lot of things, right?
Okay.
And come to think of it, you have a very big and beautiful these houses, but there's no any feminine touch. Guy, don't you think you need a woman?
Ben, what is wrong with you? A woman to come do what? To come scatter my peace? Nah, I don't want that.
No,
please.
But, I mean, it's not even about someone scattering your peace. Come on, there are quite a lot of things you're missing out.
Oh, really? Tell me about it.
When you have someone to cook you good food, I mean, arrange your wardrobe. I know, I mean, it's something that you might just want to do.
I have a microwave. What do I need that for? I'm not complaining, bro. Please, leave me alone.
Well, you're missing out, actually. You know that soft things, the soft touch from a woman.
Soft wahala also. Don't forget to include that.
Oh,
soft
God.
wahala. Ben, please don't distract me. Go back to where you were. I am chasing my money bag. What's the smell not working? Thought I said it yesterday.
Sha, dey careful, make that money bag no leave you run.
Ben,
Tell me that, what you work on?
Sometimes I am trying, but I can feel my friends now. I thought I could take it, but I can't carry on with this pain. A silent whisper in the dark, calling out my silent whisper in the dark, crying out. Sometimes I am trying, but I can feel my strength fading out. I thought I could take it, but I can't carry on with this pain. Hear the tears of a caged soul calling out loud. Hear the tears of a caged soul calling out loud. Crying out loud.
going on?
Ma?
Which of you? Which of you brought this nonsense to my house?
Jesus.
Huh? Am I not talking to human beings?
Mama, why are you asking this now? It's obviously Norma's own now. Recently she has been moving from one man to another, and there's one particular wretched man that she has been following. She says her boyfriend. Obviously she's the one that brought the evidence home now.
So this is it. And Norma, this is what you have resorted to.
Chai.
Eh? You don't have legs to walk, but you have the ones you throw open for men. And when you're done, you bring the evidence into my house. This girl, you really have nerves, so.
Yes, sir.
You really have nerves. So this is what you do in my house. Eh?
Imagine, no, Mama. Wait, Norma, why are you even doing this, eh? Why you moving from one man to another? Which body? This one? Hey!
Why did you, of all people in this your miserable life, choose to take after your father? That useless man that did nothing else with his miserable life other than womanizing and womanizing again. So much that he could not even feed you. Eh? If I had known you are going to bring this kind of shame to me, I would have thrown you out immediately your mother died.
Mama, maybe she's thinking that after sleeping with those men, one of them will buy her a new leg.
She's so shameless now.
Very shameless.
She's not shameless. Look, let me tell you. If you have chosen to be a prostitute, not in my house. My house is not a hotel. If you want to be a prostitute, then leave my house. My house is a holy habitation. Cannot harbor a prostitute.
Yes.
Are you getting me?
Yes. Let me ask you something. Why are you moving from one man to another? Eh? Which man is even looking at you like this? And are you collecting money from them? Or you're doing it for free? Don't tell me you're doing Osho free. Is it for free? Hey. So you don't have legs, you still don't have sense.
Ha. Now listen to me and listen very, very good. If I ever hear that you're pregnant, I will not hesitate to bundle you up and throw you out there so that you go and be sleeping outside just like a dog that you are. Nonsense girl. Take this out of my face.
Jesus. You should be thanking your stars that you didn't utter a word to my mother. Else, you won't even be standing here right now.
The least you could have done was blame it on anyone else, anything else but me. But you chose to pin it on me. I knew it was yours now. I saw it in your pocket.
You saw it in my pocket. So why didn't you throw it away? Huh? Why? Oh, you wanted my mother to shout at me, Abby?
I forgot.
Huh? She forgot. You forgot. You're a liar. You're a very wicked person. You this girl, you're very, very wicked. How can you say you forgot? You want to ruin my life. You want my mother to see it. You left it on purpose so that my mother can see it and see me as a useless child. Now, you better understand this. You see this house that you're staying? It's because of me. If I change my mind, you'll be under the bridge begging with this your half leg. You'll be under the bridge begging. So, if you try me in this house, if you don't give me space and mind your business in this house and use this thing you call brain very well inside this house, Norma, you'll be outside with those your wretched boyfriends. You'll be in their houses. You know that's what you like. You'll be there because I will personally assist Mama to throw you out from this house. Do you understand? Rubbish.
Rose, why do you hate me so much? What did I ever do to you? Mama, son, I understand. But what did I ever do to you? If I did anything to you, I'm sorry. But you're my sister, for God's sake.
You bad thing. You're not my sister. Half sister. And now you're an orphan. That useless father is dead. Your mother is dead, so you're not my sister. You know that you're not supposed to be born, right? But you chose to come into this life, this world, to come and cause pain to me. You stole my father away from me. I hate you so much. I will never love you. I hate you. I hate you so much. You need to see how much I hate you in my heart. I hate you.
But I did.
Shut up!
You don't talk when I'm talking. Who are you to talk? Norma, give me space. Give me enough space in this house. Give me 100 yards. If 100 yards is too small, borrow another 100 yards from those your useless boyfriend and her to make it 200 yards and give me space in this house. If not, you see you, I feel like strangling you. I feel like tearing you apart if I have the chance to. You better stay away from me in this house. Sister, my foot. Rubbish. Useless entity. One leg master. Try me. Rubbish.
I don't even know why I keep trying, Norma. I've tried everything I can to get Roslin's attention, but it's like she doesn't even see me. And she just keeps making me feel like I'm nothing every time.
It's obvious that at this point she doesn't have the same feelings for you. My dear, she just hustle. Get your paper up. One fine girl like this one day will just come for you. That's it. Forget about her.
You're very sure about that.
Me don't know what I'm saying. Are you whining me?
Alright. We'll fall in love. We'll find love.
Hey. No friendship in business. Drop it.
Drop
it back. Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sorry to disturb you. I am really starving. It'll take almost forever to get home and prepare something to eat. Can I get some of this, please?
Definitely, sir. I'm sorry about your starvation. My granules are really tasty. Once
Really?
you taste it, you must come back.
They're very, very good. Trust me, bro.
Abi,
Okay,
are
no
you
problem.
too posh for this our streets now?
I never said that. Let me have some, please.
Okay, this one is 500. This one is 1,000.
Affordable.
I'll go with 1,000.
Are you sure? Abi, you're too posh for this our street.
Let me have some, please.
Okay, sir.
Who is this buffoon that is trying to eat my wife's granules without my permission? Huh? Norma, are you planning to cheat on me?
Oh, please, not today.
So look at him. Huh? Yellow papa. Huh? Look at his fine clothes, fine shoe. You came here to seduce my woman.
I just came to get groundnut.
Ah! Let me not hear from there. Tranquility there. Who told you to speak? Eh? You don't even look like people that eat granite. You should be eating shawarma. Move away from here. Pour here.
Okoro, please go home now. Go, please.
This is my spot. If you want my woman, we will do it man to man. Man to man. Get job okupugeze here now. You don't know where you are. You don't know who you are talking to.
Alright.
Eh? Let's do it traditional now. Yellow papa. Let's go traditional now.
Sir.
Pull your clothes now. Let me pull mine now. Let's do it. Eh? Man to man. Eh? Just you and I. Let's keep them out of this. Let's go. Let's do it. Man to, you are running. You see? Look at the kind of...
Okoro, sure you know that you are mad, Abi? Something's wrong with you.
Me mad?
Get out, Joe.
I should get out. Your husband should get out. You have another husband. I will get him. Let me get him next time here. You will know me. You don't know the stuffs I'm made up of. Try me.
You don't give your husband granules.
I will slap you. Give it to your husband. Go and marry him now. She wants to marry you.
But it's the love of your life. This
Go
is
and marry
true love.
him.
This is true love.
This groundnut is really nice. This girl might have something going on for her. It's good. It's nice.
I will not take this in this house. Mommy, my money is missing. My money is missing. Who took my money?
Is that why you want to pull this whole house down with your voice? Why are you shouting like this? Eh? Have you checked very well?
Mommy, I am not one to misplace money. My hard-earned money is missing in this house. They need to provide my money for me, oh.
Or say hard-earned money. Hard-earned. You mean you...
Mama, please now. Please, my money is missing and see what you are saying. Do you know how much is inside that bag? Do you know how much is missing? 50,000 naira. 50,000 naira in this economy and it's missing. I will not take it lightly with anybody in this household. They should provide my money.
Is that all? Only 50,000 naira. You that make money like water. Pico, allow me to sleep. What exactly do you want me to do? You want me to call the police because of 50,000 naira? Okay, bring 100,000. Let me call police for 50,000. Let's see who is losing. Allow me to rest now. What did I ever do to you, Roslin? Eh? So I cannot even drink water and keep cup in my own house. I can't even rest.
Do you realize my money is missing in this house?
I don't realize.
It is just us that is living in this house. And if anybody would take my money. Norma.
I can't even rest in my house. What kind of trouble is this? If it's not in Norma today, it will be Roslin tomorrow.
She have kept. I said it. I said it that this girl is a thief. She has spent for my money. She has spent for my money. Mama! Mama! I said it, Mama. I told you that girl is a curse. See, I found my money in a bag. See, tell me, where will she get this money from?
What?
See, she's a thief. She stole my money. She stole my money. Maybe she has even spent the rest of the money. Look at it.
This is in Norma's bag.
Yes, I saw it in her room.
So, I am not only housing a crippled witch, I am also housing a thief in my house.
Hey, Mommy, you see me? I can tolerate anything in this life. But you see thief, a thief, me, I cannot tolerate it. She has to leave this house.
By the way, where is she?
I don't know. Maybe she went to meet those useless men. Look at her. Look at the thief. Thief! Thief! Tell me, where did you get this money from? Tell me.
Please, that's my bag and my money inside it. Please.
Okay. Where did you get the money from?
I made it from my groundnut business.
What business are you talking about? And when did that business start? You that don't even have leg to stand is able to do business to make this so much money.
Mommy, no, please, that's my money and that's my bag. Please.
What did you say? That's your money?
Yes.
Do I look like a fool to you? Did you see MOU written in front of my head? So tell me, how are you supposed to make that kind of money? Huh?
Please believe me, that's my money.
You!
Please.
Selling granite?
Yes.
Where? When? How? When did you start? You that look like a beggar, a dirty girl, stink with poverty. You're telling me you made that money? You're not serious. Beggar!
Shut up your mouth. Shut your mouth again. One more word from you. One more word from you. I will first of all beat the hell out of your life before throwing you out. Right now, your time has elapsed.
Mommy, please, that you have to believe me.
Which money?
You know what? I am sending you to Okoro's house.
Yes.
You're going to get something for me. By the time you're back, I would have thought of the best punishment for you. For now, get going.
Mommy, please don't do this to me. Can I?
Eh? What did you say? Are you talking back at my mother? Eh? She not do this to you. You useless thief. You better take your useless self to Okoro's house now. If not, I will give you a dirty slap. I will give you a backhand slap, eh? You will not understand it. Better be going, oh. Get going now.
You've grown so much wings. So much that I can even talk to you and you talk back at me. I am sending you on an errand. And you're talking back. You are in my presence, refusing, disobeying me. Is that what you're telling me, Norma? Ole, I said go to Okoro's house first.
Who is there? Come.
Okoro. Well done.
Norma.
Well done.
Welcome.
My mother sent me to collect something from you.
Oh, she did? Okay. I also sent for you, huh? I sent for you. You know, I've been saying it for a long time that you belong to me.
Look, give me what she sent me to get her back. Let me go.
You see, my daughter, this thing is not something that will take us time. It is just you and I in this house.
Oh, I'm in a hurry now. Give me, let me go, I beg. Please.
Relax, I am coming.
Where are you moving? Okoro, please, I beg. I don't have time for what you want to do. I beg. Please, give me, let me go.
Let me tell you.
What are you doing?
You are my only hope now. If you do anyhow, let me just...
Please.
No.
Okoro, please.
You cannot go now.
Okoro, please.
Okoro,
please don't do it. Please, I beg.
I will not harm you. I will not...
Stop it now, please. Please, I beg. You want to rape me, eh? You want to rape me? My life is already hard for take now. Please, stop, please. My life is hard already. Eh? You want to take what I have? The little I have left. Please now. What are you doing?
I don't know why I feel pity for you. I don't know. I don't know. Wow. Leave, go.
What?
Go before I change my mind.
Norma, hey. Hi, I came to buy granola. I didn't see you there. I haven't waited for a while.
Sorry, I'm not selling today.
Are you okay? You're crying.
I'm okay, I'm fine.
You're burning up, Norma. Have you taken any medication for this?
I'm okay. It's probably because I've been working under the sun.
Regardless, Norma, it's not enough to make you burn up like this. Okay, you know what? Let me take you to the hospital.
No, please, it's okay.
Norma, I know you don't want help. And I know you're used to working alone, fighting alone, but please, let me help you this time. I beg you. See, you don't look good. Let me take you to the hospital, please. I beg you. Please, let's go. I'll be fine. I'll just walk you to the door. Sorry.
Why are we far? Sometimes I am trying, but I can feel my strength fading out. I thought I could take it, but I can't carry on with this pain. A silent whisper in the dark, calling out. My silent whisper in the dark, crying out. Sometimes I am trying, but I can feel my strength fading out. I thought I could take it, but I can't carry on with this pain. Hear the tears of a caged soul calling out loud. Hear the tears of a caged soul calling out loud.
What is it again? This car? Oh my word, what is going on? What is wrong with this car again now? Not again. thought the guy fixed it today. Why? Are you sorry? Oh my word. What am I going to do now?
I don't understand. What is him? What's going on?
My car is bad. It's been overheating all day. The mechanic fixed it today. I don't know what is wrong with it now. Oh God, I don't know what is wrong with this guy. Can't keep disgracing me all the time.
What will now happen?
I don't know what to do. This guy every time. Why are you doing this to me now? Come on. Let me try to call the mechanic. My phone is out.
Hey, God.
My phone is out. Just. Right. What am I going to do now? Norma, my house is just 4 blocks away. I know it sounds weird, but how about you come to my place?
No.
Relax. Norma, relax.
No.
I know what you're thinking. You are safe.
No, please, see, I'm very grateful that you took me to the hospital and you covered my bills. But please, I can't go to your house, please.
Norma, relax.
Please.
I know what you're thinking.
Sir, please.
Norma, listen to me. But please, I can't leave you here like this. It's not safe.
No, sir.
I beg you. Fine. You. There's no way I could get it right for you. You understand? I would have gotten it right for you to go home, but my phone is out already, and I can't leave you here like this. It's not safe. Look, I know what you're thinking, but trust me, you are safe. I just want you to be safe. That's it. Please, I beg you. Norma, relax.
Sir, please, I can't follow you, please.
We can't do. Look at what this guy is causing. Look at what this guy is. What is wrong? Please, I beg you. Let me take you home to relax. For your own safety, I beg you. Please, I'm begging you. Please. Careful.
Wow. This house is so beautiful. And it's big, oh. Like a proper family house.
Family house? It's my house.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
You? Only you?
Yeah, I live here alone. Me, myself, and I.
Wow. Wow.
Come, let me show you where you'll sleep.
No. Me, I can sleep here. This place is like a 5-star hotel.
No way. There's no way I'll let you sleep here. No way. Look, you need to rest properly tonight. Come, let me show you where you sleep, and I will get you something to change into and prepare something for you to eat.
Eh? No. This, you've done too much already for me. Thank you.
What is wrong with you? Why don't you just want to accept kindness? Listen, Norma. I want you to just let yourself be taken care of tonight. Okay? Just kindness, nothing more. Let me show you where you sleep. All right. Let me show you. Come. Careful. This way. Oh, go in.
Wow.
I am coming.
Why are you moving? Okoro, please, I beg. I don't have time for what you want to do. I beg. Please, give me, let me go.
Let me tell you.
What are you doing?
You are my only hope now. If you do anyhow, let me just...
Please.
No.
Okoro, please.
You cannot go now.
Okoro, please.
Just
Okoro, please don't do it. Please, I beg.
I will not harm you. I will not...
Stop it now, please. Please, I beg. You want to rape me, eh? You want to rape me? My life is already hard, I beg now. Please, stop, please. My life is hard already. Eh? You want to take what I have? The little I have left. Please now. What are you doing?
I don't know why I feel pity for you. I don't know. I don't know.
Are you okay? Norma? Are you okay? Are you done eating? Oh, okay. Maybe you should go inside and rest. That's enough. That's enough. It's okay. Come on, let's go. It's okay. It's okay. Sorry. Yeah. Come. Careful. Sorry. Sorry. Careful.
Feels so different each time I try. 10 times of horror. Why are we far? Sometimes I am trying, but I can feel my strength fading out. I thought I could take it, but I can't carry on with the pain. A silent whisper.
Do you mind if I keep this?
In the dark, calling out my silent whisper. In the dark, crying out. Sometimes I am trying, but I can feel my strength fading out. I thought I could take it, but I can't.
It hurts. It hurts.
Sorry. This should help a bit. How do you usually sleep at night?
There's nobody to help me, so it's actually very difficult most times.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Don't worry, you'll be fine, okay?
Thank you.
I'll just be outside. If you need anything, just call me.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Thank you.
How do I describe a proverb tied to one woman? You are filled with love and peace. I can't fathom your word. I'll go 1,000 miles searching for you all my life. Oh, how do I describe this feeling? How do I say I mean it? How do I tell you I'm healing from the brokenness inside of me? Oh, how do I explain this feeling? How do I say I mean it? I want to spend my forever, 'cause with you I am complete. Oh, my virtuous woman, with you I am complete. Oh, my virtuous woman.
Okoro. Hey! My wonderful in-law. My senior in-law. The main Odogu. My number one in-law. The one and only in-law. After you. Now you. Hey! I'm a middle and one vam. Itala ya ta. Hey! Okoro! Biko, my settlement. Or is it list you came to collect?
Nothing like that. Enjoyment with the who?
Eh?
No, nothing like that happened.
I don't understand.
No.
Okoro, I beg you, they whine yourself. Which kind fine woman enter your house? Waka enter your house? Go tell me, I beg, don't whine yourself, oh. Don't whine yourself. Which kind baby, you don't enjoy anything. Okay, if you dey dodge to collect list, my settlement. Also so, my settlement. As it hot.
She kept on begging, pleading. I got pity. I pity that innocent Norma. What?
Okoro, I beg you, they whine yourself. Which kind fine woman enter your house? Waka enter your house? Go tell me, I beg, don't whine yourself, oh. Don't whine yourself. My settlement. If you don't want to pay bride price, bring my settlement. By the way, where is she?
Angela. Don't have conscience. You don't have conscience.
It is you that don't have conscience.
I get it. You don't.
It is you that does not have conscience. What do you mean by she was crying? Now today woman begin cry for man. Eh? When woman was always cry. As the woman they cry, you go to give her fire upon fire. You go to knock and they go. Do you know the amount of cry I cried for my husband on our first night? And he did not even bother. He did not stop him. That's how you know a man. I beg, where is she?
She waka that yesterday. Oh, she went home that yesterday. She did not even sleep in my house.
I don't understand.
That girl is too beautiful and innocent. I did not to touch her.
Look at my now. Look at Okoro. See wahala. Okoro. Know why yourself, oh. Where my pikin there?
She never reach here.
You mean say she don't sleep for your house?
Yesterday, she never reach here.
Okoro, no, just try me. Okoro, no, just try me. No, try me. Which one be say since yesterday? Where she come sleep? Which kind of wahala be this one? They carry one sent to you. You no feel whole woman. Now so you weak. You dey fear woman.
Tranquility.
Bia Okoro, you sure say your this thing dey work? You dey fear woman.
Abeg, give me food.
Who dash you fufu? Which one you carry come?
Food.
Get out of my house.
Food.
Okoro, say so. Get out of my house. Get out of my house. Oh yeah. Carry your lousy self out of my house.
Calm down. You invited me.
I don't do business with people that are not smart. Which kind nonsense be this one? You fall my hand. Come they ask me for. Come, get out.
You are insulting an elder. You will answer in the village where.
Okoro, I go push you. Who dash you, elder? Yeah, man. You are such a weakling. You can't even hold a woman. You can't even hold a small girl. That corrupt rubbish. Come and get out of my house.
I am a entitled man.
Who dash monkey?
You will answer.
Okoro, go!
Elders will invite you.
Hey, this girl, where is this girl? I hope Norma is not planning to put me in trouble. What am I going to do?
What's going on?
What will I tell people? Okoro said he has not seen him. Norma is not in his place. And since that yesterday, nobody knows her whereabouts.
So, is that supposed to be a problem?
Are you okay? Are you alright? They are talking about your stepsister's disappearance and you're talking nonsense. Are you out of your mind?
Mommy, I beg. What's all this now? For me, this is the best thing that has happened in our life in a long time. Come on.
Roslin.
But Mommy, let's be honest with ourselves. Tell me if I'm lying. That girl was a curse, a burden. All she does is to sit like a moron in this house. Sit like one abandoned chicken. You should be happy that she's out of our lives for good. Not worried. I don't understand.
This is a human being we're talking about. Let me tell you, no matter what, you don't throw people away just like that. Besides, this person we are talking about is your stepsister. She has the blood of this family running through her veins. Okay, what are we going to tell people when they start trooping in and out to ask us about her whereabouts? What are we going to say?
Who cares? Huh? Mommy, I don't know. What's going on? What's this new attitude of yours? What's this? When she was under your roof, you didn't mind throwing her outside. What's changed? Probably she's at Kennett's place. Or better still, she has decided to end a miserable life because tell me, of what use is a life?
Watch your tongue. Watch your tongue!
This woman, you're surprising me.
How do I describe a proverb 31 woman? You are filled with love and peace I can't find.
Hi, Roslin.
What do you want?
You look really beautiful today.
I look beautiful. Thank you. So what do you want, Kenneth?
I was wondering if, we could go out, relax. You worked so hard.
What? Kenneth, why are you embarrassing yourself now? Relax. Hey, I have suffered. Go out. Relax. With who? With you? Kenneth, you? You want me to go out with you?
Roslin, why do you keep talking to me like this? I really like you.
Like me? You should be ashamed of yourself. You're opening this your stinking, smelly, animalistic mouth to tell me that you like me. Are you supposed to like me? You have nothing. You are nothing. Your entire life and your generation to come will have nothing. So why would you like me? Have you seen yourself? Take a good look at yourself. Do you think I'm your class? I am not your class. You better stay away from me, oh. Following me around, will it put money in your pocket?
Roslin.
Are you a lost puppy?
Roslin, I may not have much right now, but I'm working really hard. I just want you to just see beyond...
Beyond what? Beyond what? Beyond your poverty? Beyond your dirty dreams? You have no life. You can amount to nothing. I can bet with anything. I can bet with my life. You will not amount to anything. You understand? So you better go and look for your mate. Slippers get size. Go and look for your size, not me.
Roslin,
All fingers are not equal.
Roslin, you need to understand that money is not everything, Love...
Love what? Who love help? You're talking about love. Will love pay my bills? Will love take me on trips? Are you mad? You're telling me about love. You see this hair on my head, eh? This hair will buy your entire family and pay your entire family rent for years. You see this dress I'm wearing? It will feed you for months. My phone, that one will feed your entire family till they grow old and buy. You're talking about love to me. Are you okay? You should be happy that I'm talking to you. Do you know the kind of men that come from me, Roslin? Men of timber and caliber, with good cars, good clothes. They smell nice. Look at you and your cheap Abokin perfume. They smell like money. Not you. You should be happy and thankful that I am even talking to you. So don't come close to me. You are not in my league at all. Do you understand?
One day you'd really realize that money isn't everything.
Till that they come. Money is not everything. So what is everything? It's love. Let me tell you. This should be the first and the last time you will come to me and talk to me about love without bringing money to back it up. At least 100,000 naira to back it up. When you say you love me, take 100K. If not, I don't want to see you and your cheap-looking self in my house again, or even stop me on the road because you're a curse. You're embarrassing me. So, please leave my house. And don't come here looking for me anyhow, because one day you will come, if I'm in a very angry mood, I'll pour you water, I'll give you dirty slap. Oh yeah, leave, Osiso. Go now! Look at this cheap polo. Abanaya, Abba maid. Look at him, shameless boy. Look at your cheap slippers, your small bum. Rubbish. Stupid boy.
Oh, you're awake.
Yes.
Careful.
Thank you. Sorry, please, what's the time on your phone?
Oh, it's past 1.
Eh? Past 1 p.m.? You're supposed to have taken me home now.
Oh yeah, I am sorry. I came to wake you up, but you were still fast asleep, so I thought not to disturb you.
Still, you should have just woken me up. Hey.
I'm sorry. Just relax. You'll go home soon, okay? You are so peaceful. so I didn't want to disturb you. You go home, don't worry. You're sleeping like someone who had not slept in a long time. And with the sedatives you took, I figured you needed more rest, so I let you be.
Still, you should have woken me up. No, you shouldn't have left me.
I understand. Also, my car is bad. I sent it out for repairs.
Eh?
Yeah. I've been trying to call the mechanic since, but he wouldn't take his calls. So we have to wait till the car is back.
No. This is bad. This is really, really bad. Oh my God.
What's so urgent? Why do you have to go home
I don't
so?
understand.
Try me, I'll understand.
Never mind.
Relax.
Please, could you help me bring my drugs? They're in the room.
Okay, sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I am tired of all this. You're making me feel like a sex toy.
What are you even saying? What do you expect? Roslin, are you expecting love? Are you expecting my commitment? Or probably a fairy tale ending?
I expect respect. I mean, after everything we've shared.
Respect? But I feel like you know what we're doing now. I mean, why are you pretending? Why are you deceiving yourself?
But you know I care about you. I have...
Wait, shut up! Shut your mouth. What kind of nonsense talk is that one? You care about me? Why would you tell me you care about me? Huh? You only care about the money. You care about the gifts, the outing, the luxury lifestyle I'm giving you. What kind of nonsense are you telling me you care about me? Don't.
You're talking to me like this?
Yes, now.
You disgust me. You're disgusting.
I'm disgusting. You must be very stupid for saying that statement. Wait, do you even think I'm going to marry an idiot like you? Wait, you think I'm going to marry a useless person like you? Get out of this place! What kind of nonsense are you telling me about? Get, leave this place!
You're useless. You're a useless idiot.
Yes.
God will punish you.
Amen. Shut up.
God will punish you.
Yeah.
You think I'm a sex toy to you? You want to use and dump me? I will get married to a good person, useless idiot. And name my goat. Nonsense. Why are you looking like a moron? Rubbish.
Excuse me, sir. I hope there is no problem, sir.
Are you crazy? Get out of this place. Didn't I pay for this hotel room?
Sorry.
Why would you ask me the nonsense question? Do you need anything? What was you? Did I not pay for this hotel room? I will see your manager. You will be sad.
You know, I actually saw you before the day we finally met. Yeah.
Where?
It was one fateful afternoon. You were with your friend, Kenneth, right? Yeah. You two were walking together. And you both looked so good. I remember thinking you were an item.
Who? No, Kenneth. No, he's not like that. He's just a really, really good friend. One of the few people that did not see me differently after my accident.
That is rare.
Yes, it is. He has done so much for me. I just pray that one day, by the grace of God Almighty, I can repay him for what he has done for me.
That's... Hey, bro, what's up? Good.
You didn't tell me you had a visitor.
Norma?
Yes.
Her name is Norma. This is my friend, my very good friend, Ben.
Oh, nice meeting you.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
Could you please give us a minute?
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
No problem.
Careful. You good?
Yes, thank you. Welcome.
Bro, are you okay?
Man, that girl is a complete disaster. Roslin? She's a bloody nightmare. So tired.
Wait, hold on a second. I thought you two were a perfect match. What happened?
That wasn't going to happen. Come on, perfect match. Me and that idiot. Like, why are you even laughing? Are you kidding? No, we're practically just fooling ourselves. Yeah, just playing around. And it's so crazy that she could actually think that I'm going to wife her after this whole issue.
Okay, wait, so after all the enjoyment, you didn't see a wife material in her?
Enjoyment? Are you kidding me? I was only going with the flow. After all, she's the available one. Yeah, anytime I call her, she answers me every time. Yeah. And she doesn't even have self-worth. She doesn't even, she like, I can't, who is going to wife an idiot like that? Myself. Why are you laughing? What's funny?
Man, my gender. You actually have a special talent in picking unique troubles, right?
Are you crazy? I beg I will just leave it, Jerry. Let's talk about it.
I'm just lending a helping hand, nothing serious. I saw her yesterday, she was stranded. I couldn't leave her like that. I had to help her.
Wait. And you brought her in?
Yeah. Bro, she looked like she had nowhere else to go. I had to help her.
Oh. Are you sure it's just only help you want help?
My friend, what is wrong with you? Stop that. I'm just helping her. Are you okay? Come on.
This girl, you're really funny. So because one useless man with a smelling armpit rejected you, is that why you're crying like you have lost your entire destiny? Eh? Come, are you sure you're my child?
Mommy, he did not only rejected me, he humiliated me. Me, Roslin. After everything, Mommy, he will say, touch your toe, I will touch. Snake in the monkey shadow. Missionary, doggy, I did everything.
Is that all? Is that all? And so? So what? Do you know how many times men humiliated me? But it didn't stop me. Life goes on. Life is all about humiliating and bouncing back. See, you have what it takes. Look, whatever happens, pick the pieces of your life and move on. Life is not over. Are you hearing me? You still have what it takes to grab another man, focus on another, keep moving. Grab another man and turn his head and do whatever you want to do. What is it? Don't let anybody put your life on hold. Are you hearing me? No man is capable enough to put your life on hold.
You're right, I'm Roslin. I'm not supposed to be crying or being sad because of any bastard.
Good!
They're supposed to be begging me, not me being sad because of them.
Now you're sounding like my child.
Like
I keep saying, use what you have to get what you want. You're heavily endowed. Look at your back. Look at your front. You have onshore, offshore dichotomy. God packaged you very, very well. Do you understand me? This one has gone. Forget about him and move on. You see how what it takes to get 1,000 men's head turning. Are you hearing me? And look, like I keep telling you, forget about love. Put love aside. Use them.
That's what I will start doing. Use that set of people. They will always stain your white.
See, it is when you are tired, when you now want to retire, you must build me a house and buy me a car.
Mama, stop now, eh? I'm not in the mood for that now.
Look, it's not just to eat and drink. Oh, I want something bigger and better.
No men has come. They will stain your white. I will deal with them.
That is it. Stain their own white. Pour oil. Pour oil for their white. Pour oil for their white. Press them.
So different each time I try. 10 times of horror. Why are we far? Sometimes I am trying, but I can feel my strength fading out. I thought I could
Oh. Good afternoon.
Mama! Mama!
What is it?
Come, oh.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
My name is Desmond. I came to return your daughter.
Return? I don't understand. What do you mean return my daughter?
I saw her on the road. She was really in a bad state. I couldn't leave her, so I took her in.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much, my son.
You're welcome.
We're really worried about her. I don't joke with her at all. You're welcome, my child.
I found her on the road yesterday. I couldn't let her be, so I took her in.
Oh, thank you so much.
Mama, please, you need to take care of her. She's really ill.
Of course. She's my favorite daughter.
Please.
She's baby of the house. You know they can be stubborn. Don't worry, I'll take care of her. Eh?
Right.
Thank you so
I'll
much.
be on my way now.
God bless you.
Take care.
God bless you, my
Mama.
son. Eh?
Take care of yourself.
I'll just see you off. I'm actually on my way
Sweetheart,
All right, no problem.
let's go inside. You're welcome back home. Hey, you are specially honorably welcome back. Thunder.
Pardon my manners. I am Roslin, Norma's sister. You know, I was thinking it's rare to find men like you. You, a stranger, you found my sister and brought her back home in one piece. You're such a kind man. So tell me, what do? You look really successful. Look at you. You look good. Look at your skin, your clothes, your glasses. Everything is shining. What do you do?
Oh, well, I manage.
Oh, come on. Don't be so modest. You know, I know men like you that are private, quiet, you know, they're just doing their business, don't want anybody to know that you're rich. I know you're a very wealthy man. But it's fine if you don't want to tell me about it. But I don't know why it feels like I've met you before. Maybe at an event, because I love to attend high-profile events. You know, I love to mingle with successful people. Yeah, you never know when connection comes in handy. You know, right?
So you are telling me you just met him just like that?
No, Mama, like I said, I was stranded after I left Okoro's place. He met me and he helped me. That's all.
And he didn't touch you?
No, Ma.
He didn't touch you? You really think you're smart? You have to be very careful, oh. Because you see all these rich men, they always have a hidden agenda. Yes, so don't ever think he just helped you out of his kindness. Nothing goes ordinary. Oh. Better be careful.
Mama, he did not touch me. He wasn't like that.
You spent a whole night in a man's house. And you are telling me he didn't touch you. Do you know what he did to you while you were sleeping?
Mama, hold on first. Hey, tell me, how big is his house? Is it as big as I'm thinking?
It was big and beautiful. Yes.
Don't be boring now. Give me gist. Tell me more details of how the house is, if it has those fancy chandeliers, big, beautiful swimming pools, stuff like that.
I don't know. I did not take a tour.
Useless information. How can you go to a rich man's house and you did not look around? What kind of human being are you? You see why I say you don't have sense? You don't have sense. There's nothing in this your head. This your head like this, there's nothing there. Why are you behaving like this now? You're forming sense. Do you think that suffering is virtue? If you to play your card well, go look and try to see things that you've not seen in your miserable life before. When you meet a big man, a rich man, you need to play your card well and position yourself. But your own is not like that.
Anyway.
I don't understand you.
What's my own self? What's my own after all? You don't even listen to me. But make sure you don't come back crying to me when that your Desmond shows his true colors. Because I will laugh you to scorn.
But let me ask. At least you should know this one. Does he have a girlfriend?
I don't know. I don't know.
Rubbish. Nonsense and ingredients.
You notice that young man, Desmond?
Yes.
Immediately he stepped into this compound, I noticed he is stinkingly rich. That guy is loaded. That guy is very loaded. He's not touching change, oh. He's touching raw cash.
Me too. I felt it. I felt it too. And Mama, you know that that's the kind of man that we've always prayed for to come from me.
Exactly. Exactly. Maybe God used Norma to bring your husband.
Amen.
You don't have to be a dollar though. Act fast. Act fast. Go for him as he dey hot before he start taking interest in Norma.
Norma, okay. Mommy, you're so funny. Norma, that cripple? No, now, what will he be doing with her?
Lelegi. Lelegi. You don't know why they say that life is not fair. You don't know. Look, life is full of impossibilities. So many surprises keep springing up on a daily basis. You better so you know, darling, no. Go for this guy. I see the hearts.
Mommy, you're right. This your brain is very sharp.
Not today.
You're right.
I don't know. There's just something different about him, like the way he speaks, the way he carries himself, the way he's very caring. I'm Jerry.
Oh my God. Now are you blushing?
Who is blushing? I better guess out, Joe. Who is blushing?
The great Norma has finally found her match.
That's true. Who is blushing? I'm just saying, I finally found someone who is kind to me aside from you, and he doesn't have any hidden agenda.
Me.
It feels good.
That's exactly what kindness looks like. You, my dear friend, you are not used to it.
I beg. I don't have energy for all these motivational talks.
Oh my God. Speaking of surprises, my dear, would you believe my shock when I went to work today, the hotel I work at, and I saw Roslin having a very heated argument with a man. Hey God. It was so embarrassing. I just stood there wondering, is this what she really does to earn? Ha. If that is me, I've completely lost interest. Serious red flag. I cannot compete again. I don't wash hand.
Yeah. Don't worry. I'm sure you find somebody that will love you for you.
Oh.
I wanna cry out. Why do I feel so different each time I try? 10 times or 4.
Hi. Good afternoon.
Sometimes I am trying.
Good afternoon.
How are you?
I'm fine. I never thought I'll see you here again,
First of all, let me ask, did you add any extra sweetener to this granite? Because they taste amazing. Super amazing. Well, you are the only one who knows what you've added to this granite that is making everybody, including myself, come back for more. By the way, how are you?
I'm fine.
Oh.
Please, how much naira granite do you?
8,000 naira will do.
1,000.
You know, I was hoping we could converse more.
Sorry, I don't understand.
Like, let's get to talk more. I like to be My friend, if you don't mind. Come on, Norma. Why are you making it so difficult for me? Okay, fine. Can I at least have your number? Please, please. Thank you. Okay, I'll just save it. Oh, sorry, let me test.
Yeah.
Am I free?
Yeah, I added them.
Extra sweet now. This is just. Okay, I'll leave now and make sure you leave early. Don't stay up so late. So, yeah.
No, it's 1,000 naira. You want me to add more for?
Well, you can use the rest for lunch.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Take care of
very
yourself.
much.
Don't
God
stay out
bless
too late,
you.
okay?
I won't.
Okay, I'll call you.
Okay.
You are filled with love and peace. I can't fathom your word. I'll go 1,000 miles searching for you all my life.
You're not so bad yourself.
That's a relief. So, can I come pick you up tomorrow? Let's spend some time together.
No, I don't think so. I'll be working.
Oh, really? Selling granules all day, right?
Excuse me, sir. I'll have you know that selling granules is actually an honorable profession.
Of course, that is. But surely, Madam Businesswoman can spare a little time for a friend.
I'll think about it.
Take your time. But just so you know, I'll be outside your house by noon.
Okay, fine. But just for a short while, oh, emphasis on the word short.
I'll take what I can get. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.
Norma, like I'm so angry. I don't know what's going on with that guy Desmond. Why would a man like that, of timber and caliber, be interested in that crippled girl in Norma? Norma of all people. What does it say in her? I don't get it.
Huh?
Mama, this is not a joke now. This is not funny. I'm telling you, do you know she was giggling over the phone like one love-struck fool? I was so angry. And guess what? Newsflash. They are meeting tomorrow. He's coming to pick her up.
What? He's coming to pick her up to where?
I don't know. Probably to his house again. Mama, this is not nice. I don't like it one bit. I don't like it.
I don't understand. So you mean after everything, that rich man wants to carry Norma and leave you behind?
That's what I've been saying. Yes.
It is not possible. It is not, God forbid. There is no way I will fold my arms and allow Norma get married before my own daughter. That is not possible. Never. You know what? Don't bother yourself. Okay? I have plans.
How do I describe a proverb that to one woman? You are filled with love and peace. I can't fathom your word. I'll go 1,000 miles searching for you all my life. How do I describe this feeling? How do I say I mean it? How do I tell you I'm healing from the brokenness inside of me? Oh,
Is this playing? Jesus. Sister Roslin. Roslin. Mama. Please, the door is locked. Mama. Roslin. Please, I beg. If it's playing, we should stop. Mama! Roslin! You should stop now, please now. Mama! Please open the door, please. Please.
Okoro, my in-law. My original in-law. My one and only. My personal person. You know, you and I are now one. We are now one family. Because all those times you will always come around, Anje. You don't know what it does to my heart. It makes me feel like my brother has come to check up on me. And that is why I've come to visit you today, so that we can have an important discussion. Okoro, I don't like the way you're living alone in this whole house. Even the Bible said it, that it's not good for a man to be alone. At this your age, you should have a wife and children running around for you.
Thank you. Angela. Thank you. But wife, advice. You go look well now. Look around you before you will give advice. Some advice is not for everybody. Look well. Now me, which woman, which girl for this area, go leave all these fine boys, marry me.
Who says? You have all it takes. You are a potential husband. See, any man that can afford a roof over his head is a potential husband. Let me tell you, women like men like you. Men like you that are very, very strong. Do you know that since that day that thing happened between you and Norma, that girl has not stopped talking about you? She has not stopped talking about you. She said you are the best man in the whole world. She said you are very respectful, you have integrity. In fact, that girl, even when she's dreaming, she's talking about you. She's beginning to like you. In fact, she loves you.
Me? Me?
Lelege.
So, all that pleading, begging, she was pretending?
Pretense. Didn't I tell you that women are like that? See, when a woman says, leave me, she simply means hold me. That's what it means. Even me. If you see what I cry for my husband, and especially, she's still fresh, she's still a virgin. Hey! Leleke, you don't know. That is why she was scared. Even me, when my husband married me, because I was scared. I cried river, I cried ocean, but it did not stop my husband. So that fear is still there. But the moment you make up your mind as a man and persist, enter, beam, and she gets pregnant. Okoro, don't mind her. That girl likes you. She loves you.
Okay. Okay, me, I was pitying her. Pity her. That little girl, the way she cried. Well, if you say so, maybe I will try again. But how will she agree to come here?
Leave that one for me. I will do that job. I am the one that will make sure she comes. And when she comes, do your own part.
Okay.
Are you hearing me?
I have heard you. In fact, I gave you a drink, you refuse. Okay, I will bring a cola for you. I will bring a cola for you. We are now
in-laws. Go and bring cola, my in-law.
I will give you
my in-law.
You will get cola from me.
There's no problem. Go and bring all the cola.
I will give you cola.
At least let me use Okoro to distract that stupid girl. so that my daughter, Roslin, will have Desmond to herself. How can I be alive and watch that crippled witch marry a rich man and live when I have a beautiful daughter? It's my beautiful daughter, it is Roslin, that will marry a rich man, while Norma will marry a drunkard. Nonsense! Come and marry Desmond now.
Yes. The black gate that has number 48 on it. Yeah, but you're right, just coming.
Hey, finally. Your house is difficult to find.
You sounded very urgent on the phone. What's wrong? And why are you with Norma's phone?
It's sensitive, Desmond. I prefer we go inside and talk.
No. I'd prefer we talk here.
Desmond, please now, come on. Some things are better said in private.
In private?
Yeah.
All right. Follow me. Come in.
Thank you.
Just sit.
Thank you. Your house is really beautiful.
Thank you. You were saying something.
Desmond, I know you're not aware of who you're dealing with. Norma is not who you think she is.
Go on.
I also know that whenever you see her, you feel pity for her. You're sad about her condition. You don't have to be. A lifestyle put her in that condition when she was going for one of her numerous prostitution journey.
Prostitution journey?
Oh, you don't know? Norma moves from one man to another. She is so desperate. I've never seen a girl so desperate as Norma. She is very desperate, looking for money. And after everything, she ended up getting married to one useless man.
Married? When did she get married?
One guy like that. She has been betrothed for a while now. And everything about her marital rights has been settled. That's why my mother didn't make a fuss when she went missing.
That is really interesting. Because everything seemed normal when I dropped her off the last time.
Yes, because we're nice people. We're nice. We always look for a way to cover up for her. Oh. Because everything is bad. But the truth is, she's very desperate. She got married to a drunkard. A drunkard. And right now, she's desperately looking for a wealthy man to keep to herself. Oh. You know why I'm telling you all this? It's because you're nice. You're a nice man. You're a good man. And I don't want you to regret your decision.
Ben, you and barging into people's houses unannounced. What is wrong with you? What happened?
Wait. Don't tell me this is the lady you've been...
Oh, hold on a second. You two know each other?
No. Yes. But it's nothing serious, okay? Ben and I just cross paths sometimes.
Oh.
Just crossed paths.
I just remembered, Desmond. I have to be somewhere, okay? We'll talk later.
You're not the one you want to tell me? Okay. Ben, what just happened? Spill. I'm listening, more ears. You guys knew each other before now?
That is the girl I've been screwing.
Are you being serious?
Yeah, I mean it. Come on. Wait.
Whoa.
Don't tell me that's the girl you want to have something.
Oh, what are you saying? Stop it. Apparently that's Norma's sister. She came here to tell me all sorts of nonsense about her, that she's a liar, she's a cheat, she's evil, she's all sort of things.
Exactly. That is what Roslin can actually do. So...
Oh.
Wait, don't tell me she's trying to probably get you.
Looks like it.
Very stupid girl.
You locked me up with no food, no water. I am sick. I am tired. I am not an animal, I am a human being. Ever since I was small, Mommy, you have hated me. I lost my parents when I was young. For God's sake, I was just a baby. All I needed at that point was love. But you treated me like filth. You made sure that I believed I did not need to breathe the same air as you and Roslin. What did I ever do to you?
Please, spare us the pity party. Do you think life is fair? No, you think life is fair. We owe you nothing, Norma. The world owes you nothing.
I never asked the world for anything! I asked for a little kindness and love. That's all. Nothing else. The very first day I called you sister, you slapped me so hard across the face. Why do you hate me so much? How can you hate another human being like this now? I know, Mommy. I was just a child. But you let them insult me. You let them treat me like I was a curse. You let them spit on me. I was just a baby looking for love. But you treat me this way. How wicked can the both of you be? How wicked can you be?
Can you shut your mouth? Mommy, you know what? I can't take this no more. Let's get rid of this bastard. We're getting rid of her now.
Take her out of me. Handle her.
Leave! Oh, yeah. Go outside! Go outside! Go outside! You're shouting, eh? You think we're making this up? Outside!
I don't even want to go into the house anymore. Once we go to that room, it's just something. That's not a cute face. It smells like that. It's so straight. Okay, let's get to the end of this room. Take her back, I think. This is weird.
Sorry, please, I'm looking for Norma's house. I don't know, I think it's somewhere around here.
Thank God I met you people here now. Thank God. Norma is in trouble.
Trouble?
My friend, they want to kill her. She has been locked up since morning.
Where's the house? Where's the house?
No food, no water.
I know, where's the house?
Let me go to police station and capture them.
Where's the house?
Okay, here.
This, okay.
Yeah, help, I'm coming. Help her, I'm coming.
This place?
Help, yes, I'm coming now. Police station straight.
Go out! Leave our house! Go out! Go out! Go out! Mama, bring her back!
Idiots! Now thunder gonna fire you at your generation.
Enough! That's enough.
Brother, you see, it's not really what it looks like. We're just
doing what, Mama? Throwing her out like a piece of trash.
And so? Is she a baby? She's able to take care of herself.
When you locked her out without food or water. Come on, Mama. What did she do to you? And your slut of a daughter came to my house to cook up lies about her.
No, who took that one? Who took that one?
You're our family, our own blood. How could you be so cruel?
Desmond, please take me away from here. Anywhere but here.
You're leaving this place this minute.
Where you want carry and go now? Bro, you be kidnapper. You be kidnapper. Where you taking my daughter to now? Norma, Mama, come back now. Norma, stop following them. Hey, brother.
What about the woman manage you? Manage you with your bald head.
Are you okay? Careful. Maybe with that. You look bright.
Thank you. I slept so well.
That's beautiful.
Thank you.
So, do you want to tell me everything that happened? From the start? Everything. I'd love to hear it. How you got here?
Where do I start from?
Anyway.
I had just finished writing my final exams and I was on my way home. The car I was in was involved in a ghastly accident. My father, my daddy, he loved me. Upon hearing this, he couldn't take it. He had an immediate heart attack. And he passed on. My mother, for months, she struggled. She kept disappearing as the days went by. I didn't recognize her at a point. You see, she loved my father to death. So it was difficult living without him. And one day, she went to join her husband. So it was just myself and my stepmom and my stepsister left. Auntie Angela. The moment it became just the three of us, my life became a living nightmare. I would cook, I would clean, I would scrub the floors, I would sell in the market. And the moment I open my mouth to complain, that's when I will understand the true meaning of hunger.
It's okay. That is because you remind them of everything they would never be. Never. You're strong. You're resilient. And you're still standing strong despite everything. Hey, don't cry.
The baby didn't come that day. I swear. They would have killed me. And they would have buried me. And nobody will find my body.
It's okay now. I promise you that I will always be there for you. Every single second. I'll be there. I'll treat you good. I'll make you happy again. It's okay. It's okay, don't cry. Please. I'll give you everything you've ever wanted. I'll make you happy again. It's okay, don't cry. It's okay. I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry you had to go through all this. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
Norma, see, I can't even thank you enough. Who could have thought that the hotel I've been working at for years was owned by your fiance? I'm so grateful. Thank you for putting that word for me.
No,
I'm
Kenneth.
so grateful.
No. Thank you. Kenneth, you've done so much for me. Like, you've done a lot for me. I'll be so stupid and so ungrateful to not repay your kindness. It's very unfair for me now. It's very unfair. My guy, see how your kids sharp in your suit.
Come on, look at me.
See how you wear suits.
Yes, nah.
Hack for your suits.
Yes, so manager of one of the biggest hotels in this state. I should not wear suits.
Gang.
See, come on. Thank you so much. I'm so grateful.
Oh, you're welcome. So, in other news, how is Mama and Roslin?
Your mama and Roslin, they've been at each other's necks since you left.
It's expected.
Nobody's doing the chores. Nobody's doing anything. So just fight it out. Every day, fight.
They know the fight. They deserve each other.
Big time.
Bad character.
You look good.
My G. Oh.
Let me go and buy you lunch.
Yeah, now let's go.
Let's
My friend has money. Let's go.
Hi!
Oh, hi there.
Oh my God! Look at you! You look good!
Thank you.
How is work? How is everything?
Well, work is fine, just very hectic.
I can see your hard work is finally paying off. I'm so proud of you.
No, thank you. We thank God. If you don't mind, I'm waiting for my dates, and I wouldn't like for her to, meet you.
Your date? I don't understand.
Well, let's say I found someone more, what's the word? Beautiful? Understanding than most people, if you know what I'm talking about. And most importantly, she doesn't sleep around. So, if you don't mind, bye. Let me, Oh, you're coming? Oh, yeah.
I have come to get the bride price list of Norma, as we had previously agreed. I've come to do things the right way. $10 bags of rice, 20 tubers of yam, a cow, 5 crates of malt, 6 cartons of wine, gold jewelry, wrappers, 1 million naira for the elder's blessing. 200,000 naira for the kinsmen. Extra 300,000 for entertainment. This is ridiculous.
Oga, no, they whine yourself. Oh. No, just whine yourself. No be grammar they speak. You dey hear me so? You asked for bride list, and I gave it to you. What is all this English now? You want take English injure me? Which kind level with this one? You no get money. Forget all this packaging. See, I'm tired of your packaging. Forget all this packaging. This is a matter of cash. And if you don't have it, if you cannot afford this, then forget about marrying her.
I'll pay it. In full. In fact, for her sake, I'll double it. You heard me, Mama. Whatever you ask for, I'll pay. But I want you to understand something. That Norma is not a business transaction. I am only doing this because I want her to have peace. Not because I need your permission or your approval. I'll send someone to bring the payment in full.